Hello folks, it's Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues, coming to you from the garage once again. And good news, hopefully that will be changing very soon, as we just may have a proper woodworking shop being constructed in the backyard very soon. We shall see. Folks, as last video I posted said, I went on my first construction site run with permission and got some wood from some pallets and crates, and I got some really good wood. I've had the opportunity to take a lot of free crates and pallets, but the wood wasn't so good. But this opportunity I just couldn't pass up. Let me show you why. This is the wood I received from that construction site with permission, and a lot of it. Of course, there was some basic rough cut pallet wood also, but this was what I was after. 1x3s, 1x4s, 2x4s, and even a few 2x6s. So you see why I was kind of excited about it. So in order to salvage this wood, that gave me the opportunity to order yet a new tool, and it just came today. So I figured I might as well do an unboxing, seeing how that seems to be the big thing these days on YouTube. Don't know why, don't get it, but why not? So I ordered me a reciprocating saw from Amazon to help break down some of these guys, and we'll see how it works. If I can get my little X-Acto knife here to work. Don't think I will, so we're just gonna have to do it the hard way. I also bought a few accessories with him. These were $9.99. Again, guys, you know I'm a big proponent of inexpensive, non-name brand tools, but I found a few deals lately on these Dewalts, and couldn't pass them up. And so, because I'm going to be breaking down some pretty serious pallets and crates with some pretty heavy nails, screws, and staples, I'm going to need all the help I can get. So this is what I got. You are seeing this, as I am, for the very first time. And there he is. This is a Dewalt Reciprocating saw, 12 amps. Man, he feels good. He feels really good. He's corded because I'm going to be doing this in my backyard, because again I don't have a proper workshop. So there it is, 12 amp model DWE305. He was 88 bucks and some change, plus the blades were I think 10 bucks. So under 100 bucks. Look at there. I guess that's a cool thing. There we go. So anyway, tell you what, folks, I'm looking forward to using this guy. I'm excited. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Didn't have a need for one until now. And I may start breaking down, finding more, if I find more of these really nice crates and pallets with the pristine wood, such as this. Man, I certainly will. I'm going to do everything I can to preserve it. Every YouTube video I've seen about breaking down pallets and crates talks about using reciprocating saws. Well, I got me one. And we're going to see how it works. And of course, I'm going to show you on a video very soon, hopefully, exactly how that works. I want to preserve as much of this wood as I can, because this is just too good to waste. So, not only have I got the saw, I tell you what, I went ahead and splurged and got me a 100-foot 12-gauge extension cord to go with it, just so we can get serious about it. That's a lot of wood, a lot of free wood, and I'm looking for more, because as someone who likes inexpensive tools, I like free wood even better. So stick with me, hang out for the next video, and we'll show you how it turns out. Till then, Jay Allison from Woodworking Blues. Keep on woodworking.